Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today I would like to decompose 10 again, the number 10, and figure out what parts make 10. This will help you solving the story problems that have been put on your work calendar for today. So we're going to use 10 as our whole. And we are going to use the blue cubes as our known part. For each one, we are going to write an equation. It will look a little different. 10 equals unknown plus 10. So the unknown we are trying to solve for is not the usual place that we see it. It's not the end, the result unknown. We're actually trying to find a part. So 10 plus what will give you 10? So let's count the blue cubes and see how many of another color I would need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll look at that. I already have 10. I don't need any other color. I have 10 in one color. So 10 plus 0 will give you 10. Now let's take one blue cube away. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ten is 9, and what? You may already know if I count on and I add that cube back in a different color, I am showing how to decompose 10 into 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and 9. 10 plus 0 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Now let's start with 8. 8 plus unknown gives you 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will count on until I get 10. 8, 9, 10. So my unknown is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 and 2. Do you guys see a pattern here? 0, 10 and 0, 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and let's see. You may already know the answer. Let's solve for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this time I have 7 blue cubes and 3 orange cubes. You're probably beginning to see a pattern. Every time I take a blue cube away, I add an orange one. So now I have 6 blue cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 orange cubes. 6 plus 4 equals 10. You guys remember this? We had a rainbow that we colored and we called it Friends of 10. We're finding all the Friends of 10. This is actually review. However, later on this week we're going to find some friends of different amounts. We're going to change the whole number each time. Now we have, I'm going to take one blue cube off. So now I'm starting with 5. I'll add the orange. And if you'll look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 and 5 is 10. Now, I could keep taking blue cubes and adding orange cubes. And I could say 4 and 6 is 10. 3 and 7 is 10. But since we already have 6 and 4 and 7 and 3, we know when we're adding, we can just simply switch these numbers. So really, these are the only combinations that will give you 10. 10 and 0, 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 5 and 5. Those are all the parts that can give you 10. Now, this should help you solve the independent practice problems I put on the work calendar today. Tomorrow and for the rest of the week, we are going to be working with our cube sticks and decomposing other numbers, but we're going to change the whole. So each time we'll be working with a different whole. Today we just work with 10 as a whole. Excuse me, guys, because 10 is the whole you're familiar with. We worked with friends of 10 before we left the classroom, so I wanted to review that. I can't wait to see your work, and I will see you boys and girls later. Goodbye.